Hey geocachers, Mospeed catches. I'm out here at Thomas the Train. We're looking for a bison. It's attached to the handle. This is a train museum. It's got two trains here, and then another two like modern style trains on the other side. But the GPS leads us about 100 feet to the north. So we're gonna go look at the front of the train on the handles. More stairs?
Yeah, 2 stairs. Daddy, not going this way. Oh, they're big hooks.
Big hooks?
Yeah, right there. That's how train connect.
Yep, that's how trains connect.
But Daddy.
So we're here at the train, and took us a little while to find it. It says it's connected to the handle. GPS cords brought us over to here, so let's see what we have. So Thomas the Train with a bison underneath it. Look kids, Thomas the Train.
Daddy, I can pop bubbles.
Yeah, let's put Thomas the Train on the real train for size comparison. How's that?
Good.
All right, let's hide it back. Let's sign the log and hide it back.
No. Yeah.
Hey, it's Mospeed Catches. We out here. We found Thomas the Train at the train station. I got James and Grace behind me. What do you guys say?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. All right, we're gonna go explore the train some more.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.